This month witnessed lots of weddings. Instagram stories, posts, reels, WhatsApp status, YouTube videos, totally filled with shadi content. And I also posted in tons because I also attended my close cousin's wedding. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So this month lots of people attended lots of weddings. Weddings is all about fun, dressing up, looking beautiful, having a lot of great food and having fun. But I'm here with some new perspective about wedding, or I can say this is what I learned from a wedding. So every time we visit anywhere, it's about experiences we gain, and if we observe our surroundings more properly, we'll be realizing that it's just not about the fun we are having or about the things we are doing, but it has another lens of perspective that we can see from that. So here are some of the pointers or some of the learnings that I'll be sharing with you all that I learned from a wedding that I attended. So first of all, weddings and gatherings is about that we'll be meeting many new people and also the people we know. So this give a whole new perspective because you are meeting new people, you are having an exchange of ideas, you'll be exchanging ideas with them, you'll be having a good conversations with them, some fun conversation also, but also you'll be learning from them. In weddings, we stay together, we learn from other people's point of view. Also, it's something like socializing without social media, because in today's generations we only socialize when we are connected through social medias, but something like weddings where all people are there and you will be staying together and having fun together, it's just like socializing without a social media. Also, from weddings, we get an idea of our culture, because weddings are full of rituals, cultural things that is happening. So by seeing that so close, you get an idea of how rich your heritage and how rich your culture is, because you'll be seeing every ritual happening in front of your eye and you'll be mesmerized sometimes that how beautiful it is and how auspicious they sound. Something that we never gonna experience when we are not going to attend wedding, because there are many rituals that we even don't know that happen, but when you attend a wedding and you attend with an open mind perspective of learning things, you will get to know that there are a lot more things. Another thing that I learned from weddings, you'll meet many elders or the person that is elder to you. So you'll get to know how to respect, or maybe looking to your cousins or your family, you'll get an idea how to behave in your family, that how your family behaves. Like if you stay away from family, you'll not get an idea that how to respond to things, how to respect elderly, what we do to show respect, how we speak to them, how to behave with them. This is only comes when we are there. We'll be seeing our cousins, our elder one respecting their elder ones, and will be also doing the same. This gives and puts lot of value in yours. Okay, so wedding is lot of siapa and fun and management. So if you are someone who really likes to manage things, or you are channelizing your skill that you can manage things or not, here's an good opportunity for you, because wedding chaos cannot be handled alone. It should be a proper management thing, and when you are so much engaged or when you really want to channelize your art of managing stuff or doing more management things, surely you will have fun in managing. Also, you will be learning too much that how to handle everything, how to organize things, even in a small scale. But yes, it's a learn. Best thing of weddings that you will be meeting your cousins, because sometimes or in a rush of our own lives we forget that how good that bond was in your childhood. The first friends that you made are your cousins itself. So that bonding, that share of love and care is something which you will be not able to get in a normal days or a normal meetups or a normal video calls, because in weddings you'll be staying there, you will be having a more connect. So I attended my sister's wedding, and if you're attending a wedding from a bride's side or obviously from a girl's side, so there's a many emotions, like you'll be having fun together, sharing things in the wedding, but the moment of vidai comes, all the faces that had smiled earlier would have a teary eyes. The emotions that happened that time is something which is not which is something we can't able to express, but every single person in the room will feel that emotion of that little girl that has been grown in the family now going away from us. Even if the distance is not that much, even she is happy, but the thought of letting her go is always the most difficult one. And so from this video, I just wanted to express myself or give you a perspective that weddings are not just about fun and everything, but they are a wholesome memory. They carries a new perspective from every new people that we met, and also giving us a whole new idea of how to live life with the family, enjoying everything and learning from new experiences. I hope you all like this video and the idea about the weddings, the learning from the weddings. We'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, this is Tanishka Shekhawat signing off.